Hello, today I would like to demo the first application on our cutting-edge path for a simulation. On this framework, the server side is assembled with microservices. Meanwhile, the client side is fully web-based. So, the internal flow app could be launched from any browser which supports HTML5. Here's Google Chrome browser. As you can see, input this link to open the current web page. Here's the title bar, toolbar, and status bar. By clicking File button, it could bring a ribbon. Click New button. File dialog is popped up. Two options for you. We can either upload a CAD file on your local machine or open a file on server. For now, only STEP and AGIS file formats are supported. Here, I just simply pick a file on server. Server is working on it. Okay, it is done. Once the model is launched, other tools are displayed simultaneously, like Future Tree, Navigation Cube, or Output Bar. Before diving into new adventure, I'd like to give you a quick orientation. On your desktop or laptop, drag with left mouse button means rotation, middle or right mouse button for pan. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in or zoom out. If you are running it with a mobile device, drag with one finger means rotation, and pinch with two fingers means pan and zoom. Left click can select an entity. Holding Ctrl key provides you multiple selection. Holding Ctrl key with middle click can hide parts or show all parts. Just like all other industry software, right click brings context menu. On mobile device, single tap means multiple selection, and long hold brings context menu. Very well, here's the navigation cube. CAD model can be easily aligned to particular direction. Also, home button to reset wheel or fit model. Future Trees carries all essential settings for your analysis. Each node has context menu. Here is the output bar. All widgets can be hidden or shown. Clean screen on status bar is a quick action to hide all widgets for your convenience. It could be useful on presentation mode. Under this situation, we may have to bring other widgets by checking this. Alright, let's start this journey. First, we want to apply boundary condition. Pick the inlet surface. Right-click, Edit. Select Velocity Inlet. Set speed with 4 meters per second. We provide a default boundary condition name. Apparently, we can rename it with inlet. Apply it, then outlet. With pressure outlet, 0, rename it. Finally, symmetry boundary condition. Rename it again. Once a boundary condition is applied, icons associated with them are added in wheel, tree, and legend bar. All other surfaces surrounded to fluid materials are automatically set to wall boundary condition. Remove a boundary condition from here, or we can modify it by editing it again. All actions can be reached from context menu, or double-click Tree Node for opening edit. Now we need to set material on part rather than on surface. So we could switch selection type on ribbon, toggle part selection type. We also can switch type by this menu button. Double-click is another way to toggle your selection type. Right-click to bring mini toolbar. Import predefined material air. OK. Then apply. Multi-select other parts for solid material. You may like to change pad attributes with the context menu for better view. Transparent, outline, shaded, hide, show all, mesh, physics, or initial condition settings can be accessed from individual dialogs. We can open it from ribbon or by double-clicking tree node. Increase boundary layers. Right-click and toggle this menu item to preview background grid. We can modify it with Shift key plus mouse wheel. Restore it to initial settings by reset. Move to next. Set iteration step and interval steps here and here. Now we finished pre-process settings. Solve it. If mesh is not ready, the backend will generate mesh before solving. We can find log messages updated from server. When solver is started, the current step and residue value are kept updating here. Now we come to post-process view. Minima and maxima values on legend bar are updated with the current result. We can add cut plan or any other filter. From context menu, add cut plan. New cut plan initially is located on the center of model bounding box, aligned to X direction. Then we can modify parameters or attributes by edit. Set display mode as shaded. Show pressure result on cut plan. Keep the default location and change normal to Y direction. Apply it. We got an updated cut plan. When you select a cut plan, a locator is visible. It is a very convenient tool for you to relocate plan. Hold Ctrl key to duplicate the current plan. To remove a filter, right-click, remove, select it. Either we could remove them by tab. Similar to cut plan, we can also add isosurface here. Edit, show pressure. Spin mouse wheel to change ISO value. Apply it. Now we come to the most interesting part, create traces. You can add them by free pick, click any shaded or mesh surface. New trace line is generated immediately. Right-click to quit this mode. Or you can build traces from specified pattern. For instance, line pattern. After traces are generated, seeds also can be modified with locator. Remember, traces only can be picked from other cut plan or ISO surfaces. We can save it on server. Because it will be saved to your personal space, I have to log into my account for further operation. You can find more tutorials and references from help menu. Any idea, comments, or suggestions are welcome. Please shoot us email by contact@simcapsule.com. Enjoy it. Thanks.